Good morning, Dr. Mary Lauder here. I have a love-hate relationship with social media. And I also have a love-hate relationship with influencers and information. I did a recent podcast talking about clickbait, misinformation, malinformation, disinformation. I invite you to go find that on drmarylauder.com and also a YouTube channel, Dr. Mary Lauder. It's a great podcast, and I interviewed Dr. Heather Voorhees, who's a professor at the University of Montana. My point of this is I'm going to be pushing out now social media to combat in a gentle, direct, loving, compassionate way misinformation, malinformation, and disinformation. So look for hashtag misinformation, hashtag Dr. Lauder.